Hey everyone, check it out. I literally just paid for something using my Tangem cold storage wallet. No exchange, no converting to fiat first, no nothing. Just tap my phone, done. And then I'm going to show you how that same wallet is earning me a passive income every single day through staking. If you've had a Tangem sitting around just holding crypto and doing nothing else, you're going to want to see this. So for anyone who's new here, I've been using the Tangem wallet for a little while. I will have a referral link down below if you want to go ahead and use it. But regardless, what I want to talk to you about today is nothing to do with the hardware itself. It's about what the software behind this thing can do for you now. Up until recently, if you had a hardware wallet, your job was simple. Store crypto, keep it safe, that's it, and that's great. That's the whole point. But here's the thing. That also means your assets are just sitting there not doing a whole lot. And then the spending side, if you wanted to actually use your crypto, you'd have to send it to an exchange, convert it, wait, deal with fees. It was the whole thing. Tangem just fixed this problem. And I'm going to walk you guys through the features right now. All right, so the first thing I want to talk about with you guys is staking. Why? Because it's actually honestly underrated. And I feel a lot of Tangem users don't even know that this exists yet. So for anyone who doesn't know what staking is, it's a super simple explanation. You're basically putting your crypto to work for the network. In return, the network pays you rewards. Think of it like a high yield savings account, except instead of a bank making money off of your money, you're helping validate transactions on the blockchain and getting rewarded for it directly. Now, here's the part that's important. Normally to stake, you have to either go to an exchange or move your crypto to some hot wallet, which kind of defeats the whole purpose of cold storage, right? Like, why have a hardware wallet if you're pulling funds out every time you want to earn yield? Tangem changed that. You can now stake directly inside the Tangem app. And your private keys, your actual keys, never leave the card. That's a big deal. You're keeping that cold storage security while still earning rewards. So which coins can you stake? Right now we're talking Solana, Tron, Polygon, BNB, and Cosmos. 5 networks, and inside that the app, you can actually see the APR for each validator before you pick one. Tangem will auto-recommend the most profitable one, but you can go in and choose the one you want yourself. The process is super simple. Open the app, tap the coin you want to stake, hit stake, review the info, enter your amount, pick a validator, and then you just tap your Tangem card, sign the transaction. That's it. Your crypto starts earning. Now, each network has its own unbinding period, meaning if you want to unstake, there's a waiting period before the funds are liquid again. Solana's pretty quick. Cosmo and Tron have longer lockup windows. So just be aware of that before you go all in. But the concept is powerful. Your Tangem card is now a passive income machine. While you're sleeping, while you're mining, while you're doing whatever, those stake coins are working for you. Hey, real quick, if you're finding this useful, go ahead and drop a like on this video. It generally helps out the channel. And if you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that button. All right, let's get back to the big one. Okay, this right here is the one I'm actually most excited about. It's called Tangem Pay. And this is brand new, just rolled out to all users in select regions as of March 2026. Here's what it is in plain English. Tangem Pay gives you a virtual Visa card inside of the Tangem app that you can use to spend your USDC anywhere Visa is accepted. We're talking over 130 million merchants worldwide, coffee shops, grocery stores, flights, hotels, online subscriptions. If they take Visa, you can pay with it with your crypto. And it works like Apple Pay, Google Pay, so you're literally just tapping your phone like normal. And here's the key thing that makes this different from every other crypto card out there. Your funds stay on chain and the entire time. You're not sending your crypto to a centralized exchange. You're not trusting some company to hold it for you. The USDC sits in a smart contract that only you control. When you make a payment, the exact amount you approve gets released, nothing more. $4 for coffee, $4 leaves, everything else stays put. So to use it, you fund your Tangem Pay account by sending native USDC on Polygon over from your main Tangem wallet. It's a separate balance. So to use it, you fund your Tangem Pay account by sending native USDC on Polygon over from your main Tangem wallet. It's a separate balance, totally siloed from your main holdings. So your long-term crypto stack, still locked up, still safe, completely untouched. Only the spending balance you load on the Tangem Pay is accessible on the card. The conversion is 1-to-1 USDC to USD. No hidden fees. The card itself is free. You're only paying the standardized Polygon gas fee when you fund it. The normal Visa foreign exchange fees if you're buying something in another currency. Now I do want to address the KYC because I know some of you are already typing in the comments, yes, but there's a KYC process to activate Tangem Pay, and I get it. That gives some people pause. But here's what I want you to understand. The KYC is not done by Tangem. It's handled by a third-party company called SumSub, which is a professional identity verification provider. The compliance and settlement side is managed by another company called Rain. Tangem themselves, the people who made your wallet, cannot access your KYC data. And more importantly, your actual Tangem hardware wallet, what's in it, how much crypto you have in your holdings, none of that is tied to the KYC process at all. At all. It's still safe. Think of it like this. Your Tangem wallet is your vault. Tangem Pay is like a separate checking account you opened at a regulated institution. The vault stays private. The checking account has the usual legal paperwork to complete the different things. The KYC is required because this is a regulated Visa payment product. That's just the reality of opening a traditional payment rails in 2026. But it's handled cleanly, privately, and transparently and honestly. I'd rather do a quick 2-minute ID check one time and be able to spend my USDC anywhere on earth than to go through the whole off-ramp process every time I want to buy something. Setup takes like 5 minutes. Open the Tangem app, tap the pay banner, scan your card, authenticate, confirm your country, do the 2-minute verification, and your virtual Visa card drops instantly. Load it up with USDC, add it to your Apple Pay or Google Pay, and you're off. Guys, this is the kind of feature that changes how people think about crypto. Not just hold and hope. Actually use it in the real world today. So many people don't know you can actually use crypto to buy things. This is a great thing to have. So to wrap it up, Tangem just went from being a really solid cold storage wallet to something way more powerful. You've got staking built in, earn passive income on Solana, Tron, Polygon, BNB, Cosmo without ever giving up custody. And you've got Tangem Pay, a virtual Visa card that lets you spend USDC anywhere in the real world, with your holdings staying completely off-chain and in your control. For me personally, this is exactly where crypto needs to be going. It's not just a store of value, it's a working financial tool, and Tangem is genuinely delivering on that. If you want to grab a Tangem wallet, I'll have my link down in the description below. It'll get you a discount on your order, and if that and it helps support the channel, which I appreciate. Let me know what you guys think about these new features down in the comments below. Are you going to try the staking? Are you going to activate Tangem Pay? I genuinely want to hear from you guys on this one. And as always, please like, comment, share, subscribe, turn the bell notification on, and set it to all. It all helps the channel grow, and I appreciate every single one of you. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out. Have a great rest of your day. And don't forget, you can now spend your crypto anywhere you want with Tangem Pay.